right, Dad Jasco with the Blues here. We're doing an episode with B on that wood-fired pizza oven. And what are we doing today? Chicken bruschetta?
Chicken bruschetta pizza.
Oh, man. Hey, one piece only, B.
Heard that. One piece only. And I want to say a quick thank you to Scott Emery from Mount Pleasant, New Jersey for the new glasses. They're awesome. They're working great. And I can finally see far.
All right.
You get that?
I did.
Sweet. So we're going to go with the white sauce. Reach under you.
Thank you, Jack.
Right. Farm cheese. And this is tomato bruschetta mix with just some garlic, basil, and tomato. Chicken. Some mozzarella cheese. And a little bit more on that fresh basil.
Okay. I'm on your left.
Yep.
Looky. Man.
And we're going to finish it with a little bit of balsamic glaze.
Let's try, looking great, B. That crust is super good. We made that a couple days ago?
Yeah, 2 days ago.
Yeah, nice cold fermentation.
Yep.
Let that yeast develop and dissipate. And another one knocked out of the park, B. And I gotta say, those glasses they're like adjusted.
Oh yeah, they're transitional and everything.
Transitional, so the shade, you can wear them as sunglasses. Oh, she came in.
Yep.
Came in looking super cool with those dark shades. Yeah. Really nice, beautiful glasses.
Yeah, it's a great.
Hey, Dad Jasco with the Blues. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, everyone.
Peace and goodwill. All right, Glenn, let's go. Hey, two YouTube friends, Daniel, first time he's been here, he took the train all the way down from New York, just come back from Sweden, and he said he couldn't come to this area, the East Coast, without coming to say hello. Heath, he's a regular man, like twice a year almost, from LA. So we got the whole coast of California almost covered. But Daniel, we gave him the what do they call that?
The bee treatment.
The bee hooked him up with the Philly steak pizza, and Hey, we need to give us a shout out because Heath is looking for the best restaurant in Chicago in Boston. He's going up there for the holidays for Christmas.
Any recommendations? Shout them out.
And the Corey Firehouse Manhattan.
Yes, it is.
Corey.
Best bartender in town.
Yeah. What's up? I think this side of the Mississippi. I don't know.
At least.
What do you think?
Haven't had a better cocktail.
But it's a happy holidays to everybody. We got some aficionado. We're ready to give them the Daddy Jack's test. You know, the quiz. You know, be 100 questions. As long as you get about 99%, you're all right. And Heath, you know, always great to see you.
You too, John.
And you know, bundle up, man, because we got 10 degrees tonight in LA. He got his pea coat, got his gloves, got a hat.
No hat.
Man, all right.
I got a Corey cocktail though.
We got Rachel over here in the house. All right. Josh, his birthday yesterday.
How's it going? Don't push me.
Corey, thank Leona for my birthday gift. I just saw it today. A beautiful Santa chef. But hey, Daddy Jack's going with the blues here. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Health and
Merry
prosperity.
Christmas.
Peace. Glenn Peltier on camera. You're the best.